Hello, my name's Kat Sinclair. I am a professional face painter. I've been painting for 8 years. I'm going to show you some tips, tricks and techniques for doing your own face painting at home. I'm going to show you how to follow face painting designs. You can buy books in art shops for face painting. They will have step-by-step instructions for how to create the faces within them. But what do you do if you have a face and you don't know how it was painted? What I'm going to do is the Joker from Batman. You may have seen the film, so you will know what it's going to end up looking like. So how do I paint this face? I normally start off with the lightest colour, which will be white, and then I will paint the red and finally the black at the end. So hopefully it should look exactly as it does in the film. So the first colour I'm going to paint is white. So I need a nice big sponge for that. And I'm going to use the cake white. It's a lot easier to put on, and you'll be able to see the skin through it. So load up the sponge with the cake white. And then just start applying it to the face. We're not going to go into the eye sockets with this. We're just going to go around the rest of the face first. And I'm going to leave a gap for the mouth, which is going to be a crescent shape coming upwards. Go under the eyes. You just look upwards for me. Just going to go under there. So I've left a gap there for the mouth, and I've left the eyes without any paint, so I can do them black in a second. So get another sponge and wet that, and for this I'm going to load with cake black. It's a bit less cloggy than the normal black, so it will be easier for him to wash off afterwards as well. So you get your sponge and squeeze the edges until you've got a round surface there, and close your eyes for me. Then make a nice round shape around the eyes. You can come up a bit at the outside edges. That's the basic shape round there. Then you do the other side as well, coming into the corner. And then keep going until you've done both eyes. And then finally, we're going to do the mouth. But this isn't the same as a normal clown's makeup, because his mouth is more blood coloured. So instead of the bright red, I'm going to use quite a dark red, which is the colour of blood. And I'm going to do that, just do a jagged smile coming down right from up there, down onto the lips. And because it's going to be very messy, what I would do now is just wet a brush without putting any paint on it. And I'm going to use this flat brush with no paint on, and just drag the colour from the eyes. Just turn your head. And make it look very messy, as if the paint is running into the creases on the face. You can go all the way down into the red, then Do it on the forehead to create lines on the forehead as well. You might want just a little touch of brown, just to give the impression that you can see the skin through the paint. And even if you want to, just wet your hands a little bit and just smear it. Because with this face, the more smudged and dirty it looks, the better, because it does look very scary. And that's how to follow a face painting design.